What you got here then, Neil?
Got my new addition. Oh, you looking at my bait, are you?
What's this goo then?
That's the new Corda Goo coconut cream, which goes with my Stafford carp baits pop-ups.
Right.
Okay.
How big are those?
These are vary really.
Yeah.
From dumbbells 16s to normal 16s to 12mm.
Right.
Wafters.
So when would you favour a pop-up then? Certain conditions, or just use them at random?
Just use them at random, mate, to be honest.
Yeah.
A bit in silt, perhaps.
Right.
But I'm a big fan of bottom baits.
Right, okay.
I use bottom baits a lot really, or wafters, which is basically a bait that just sits just above your rig,
Right.
your hook, and it just wafts around nicely. Whereas I don't really like pop-ups sticking up 2 inches. I don't feel confident using them really, to be honest.
Well, what sort of line would you use a wafter on then? Would you use braid or would you go for mono?
I use mono.
Yeah?
Mono every time, mate, yeah.
Okay.
Mono every time. I tell you what, I'm gutted I haven't got my alarms.
Come on then, let's have a look what you're doing.
Setup. This is my setup without alarms.
So a bit of an improvisation job, yeah?
Yeah, me new addition to the tackle is my bait boat.
Right, okay.
My Pro Cat bait boat.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what can that hold then in terms of quantity of bait?
Holds about 1 kilo of bait, that does.
Right.
I'll just go get rid of my boilies because they're secret bait.
Right.
Everybody know what I'm using.
Secret society, yeah?
Yeah, I've got to keep away.
I'll edit that out, shall I? Right. Okay, so perhaps we'll be able to get some footage later of you using this boat, this bait boat then.
Yeah, we can do, mate.
Well, it's around about midnight. Neil's just decided to get his head down in his nice big comfortable bivvy, and I think I'll probably do the same in 5 or 10 minutes or so. I think Neil's just behind those reeds. In fact, I can hear him snoring. It's quite funny. Anyway, I've just put 2 lines out, 2 16mm boilies, both Scopex. So I think I'll probably get my head down and see if I get woken up during the night. Let's see what the morning brings. Now that, sir, is casting ability. I'll give you a 6 out of 10 for that. It was that good.
6 out of 10?
6 out of 10.
Right on the money that was, mate. That's a fish, that is.
Looked like a cast to me. Did I see you using PVA mesh with that one?
Yeah, with a bit of boilie crumb inside, threaded onto the hook link.
You can get him.
Zip linear, I think. Yeah, got the bottom corner, it has teared a little bit, but a nice hook hold.
Brilliant. What a lovely fish.
Nice little zip linear. Cracker that is, isn't it?
Beautiful.
Hold him up.
Absolutely lovely. Look at that. Typical carp from Seighford Lakes.
Stunner.
Cracking. Great way to end the day then.
Yep. Lovely. Put it back.
There she goes. Beautiful. If you had to start last night's session over again, what would you change?
What would I change?
If anything?
Nothing really. I think I've done well, to be honest. I've had 3 fish and lost 4, so I think I was in the right areas, to be honest with you. But I think it's just gone quieter now because it's got really hot, hasn't it? The weather's changed, it's hotter. I think it's definitely a night water, this is. Early morning, late evening, the fish seem to get their heads down and start feeding. In the daytime it's a bit more of a struggle, I think.